You gotta excuse me. It is extremely humid out here right now and I'm sweating to death. Just finished up this deck armor paint system in Hamilton, Ohio. Kong Armor is tough, man. It has taken this little backyard deck and just turned it into a beautiful, beautiful deal. And the best thing about it is these customers here, they're going to get lifetime warranty. Any damage that they cause of their own or anything like that, they have lifetime service. But the thick, high build, high stretch armor here on this deck system in particular really makes it look beautiful. Let's take a look at it. I just finished it up, just finished filling in some cracks on it, and it's turned out stunningly beautiful. Let's take a look. We plaqued it. Just plaqued it right down here on the post, put our plaque on it. This is for warranty and for service. So our customer or the next person that buys it, they know how to get a hold of us. But look, you guys look at how beautiful thick build rails finish out. They finish out stunning. I mean, it's way better than if you was to have some type of thin paint on here or thin residential stuff that is designed to fail. Extremely better. Last a lot longer, tougher. We know that it takes the sun longer to break down thick build, and that's why thick build, right? I can't preach it to you guys enough. If you throw thin residential painting coatings on your deck, it's not going to last. It's just not going to last. This deck system, extremely beautiful. Hamilton, Ohio. Let's go up here and take a look at the floor. This floor, I want y'all to remember, this floor had hairline cracks in it. It was sun damaged. Wasn't the most gorgeous thing in the world. Let me kick my Adidas off, which I won't give any more money. And let's go up here and let's take a look at this. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that finished. Just gorgeous. 99.9% of the hairline cracks that water could get into and cause damage, gone. Completely resurfaced. Rebuilt with a thick armor layer on it. Just gorgeous. The sun's messing with me. You gotta see how high build finishes. Way better. Way better. And this stuff right here will take a beating. Let me tell you, it'll take a beating. This is a tough coating, and I highly suggest that if you're in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, and you're looking for a lifetime deck paint system, and you're willing to embrace warranty and you're willing to embrace service, that you contact us, because we can take care of you. We can get you set up. Take another look here. Absolutely stunning new Kong Armor deck paint system, Hamilton, Ohio. It's super easy. Listen, I know I'm sweating like a stuck pig. It was hot out here underneath this sun, filling in those cracks. It's super easy to get a quote from us, right? The first thing you can always do is call me, 859-815-0652. Save this post. Go back, look, you got the phone number. You can go to kongarmor.com and click, we have a little button. It's right under the first header of the web page. It says get free quote or click for free quote, something of that nature. Click on that. From the moment you make contact with us right now, we can have you a new gorgeous, thick build, tough, lifetime deck system, lifetime deck paint system. Within 7 days, done, boom, over with. You move on. Right? Get a hold of me. I'll get you hooked up. See y'all later.